Okay, I am opening this right now. It is a gold dig kit, and I am hoping for gold. There is a 1 in 24 chance. I will keep that right there. This is tough. Should probably try the middle, because that's where they usually place these. If you guys like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. And I know I haven't made a video in so long. Just I get busy sometimes. But more videos will be coming soon. Oh, I see something. Yep, that's not gold, I think. Let me check. It's gonna be blue sandstone, most likely. Okay. Can I get a good grip? Nope. Go deeper. Sorry if this is taking a while. Okay, this is how it's going right now. You just want to take a quick look. Okay. Oh, there we go. If you could guess what type do you think it is before I clean it off? Tell me in the comment section below. Okay, we got 3, 2, 1. So let's see what type this is. Oh. Is it sandstone? Feels like it. Nope. It's probably blue sandstone. Maybe, maybe not. I don't really know. But yeah.
Pretty cool are your tools, John.
Okay. Bye.